Tebing Keraton can be simply interpreted as the royal or palace cliff. The name perfectly illustrates the majestic vista of North Bandung's fascinating natural landscapes as one stands on the cliff. At 1,200 meters above sea level, Tebing Keraton is located within the Djuanda Forest Park, at Ciburial Village, Cimenyan subdistrict, in the Bandung Regency. At the main area, there is a rock that bulges over the edge of the cliff, which makes it a perfect place to observe over the incredible natural surroundings. Here, one will be presented with a truly dramatic view of green hills, a winding river, thick forests, rice paddies, as well as the looming mountains on the horizon. The amazing landscape is part of the canyon that is formed by the Lembang Hill on its opposite side. The cliff presents its finest vista at sunset and sunrise, when the sky is painted with mesmerizing colors that perfectly fuse with the green surroundings. Although only recently discovered and made famous in the mid-2014, the people around the area are familiar with the cliff, which was initially called Djuanda, or loosely meaning the bulging rock. After thousands of selfies and social media hypes, the cliff was later given the new name of Tebing Keraton to better illustrate its majestic landscape,